Okay, so I was asked what type of computer I would prefer to have if I could get any computer. So I'm going to go over what I have right now. I have the 13100F. I bought this right before 14th Gen came out, but it wasn't that before. I have a Noctua cooler. I'm not sure which one, but this one kind of looks like it, so I think it's this one, but I'm not sure. I have this Asus motherboard, which cost a lot less when I bought it. It was like 130, so stocks. Uh, I have 32 gigabytes of DDR4. This specific one, I was so happy when I bought this. I was like, yes, I got money. I'm buying it, and I was happy. So, the first drive I had was this 250 gigabyte 850. I bought like the original PC for cheap, and then I upgraded a lot of it. And I kept the 850. Then I bought this PCIe SSD, whatever it's called, 1 terabyte. And then I bought a 990 Evo. I thought it was a Pro that I was buying, but I was wrong, and it was an Evo. But I don't really care. And then I got this for free. My parents said, "Yo, you get the data off this hard drive, and we'll give it to you for free." I was like, "Bet." And the drive wasn't formatted in any readable format on Windows. I probably should have tried Linux. But anyway, I have this 4060 right here. This specific one, I bought it because it was like 15% off, and it cost $1 more than a 3060. I bought this right when like a little bit after Chat RTX came out. I was happy I bought it. And then I have the Landcool 216, not like the RGB version, but just a normal version. And it looks cool. Like, look at it. I do like how it has a dark, like a side panel, a dark one, so I can't really see into it, and because it doesn't look that good on the inside of my cable management, but it looks okay. And then this, I'm pretty sure it's this one. It's a 650 watt Corsair power supply. That's all I can remember really. And yeah, on Firefox. Oh, we have what I would get. So I would get a 70, like if I bought it right now, I would get, because I know the new GPUs and CPUs are coming out. I'd get the 7950 X30, not the 7800, as I would prefer having more like cores over gaming. I'd probably get this like liquid cooler or a similar one, just because like liquid cooler, I wouldn't really want to do a custom loop. I'd probably get like a motherboard similar to this, as I don't really like the all white aesthetics. Everything in my setup is darker colored. And it's this one here. It's got 1, 2, and then a third, yeah, 3 M.2, and then 4 SATA, which is covered for some reason. But yeah. I'd probably get 32 or 64 gigabytes of memory. Yeah, probably just Corsair. And then for storage, so I actually would get a lot of storage because storage is cool. 990, 980, 970. The reason I'd get different drives is because it's a lot easier when like you're dual booting Linux and stuff. Then I'd probably get multiple like and then other SATA drives, 872 terabyte, 874 terabyte. This crucial drive, and then 24 terabyte actual HDD. What would I do with all this storage? I don't know, but I could. It'd be fun. Then I'd probably get maybe a single 4090 prop. Like if I had the money, I would get dual, but I don't have any money, so I couldn't actually get this. Dual 4090s would be great for AI, which is what I wanted to try and learn. H9 Flow, I would have gotten the H6 Flow because I like how it looks more, but it didn't have room for dual 4090s or all the drives. And then I'd get a big giant power supply, and I'd probably get the what's it called monitor, the dual mode monitor, because it'd be cool. Yeah, and all this wouldn't even be $10,000. Yeah, I'll probably never be able to afford this. Okay, so we're here. So a laptop I am actually planning on getting is where is it? Is one of like the mid range, like one of the laptop in my mid range data. So the Gigabyte 16 inch. Let me just control click. Okay, yeah, it's this one right here off of Newegg because it has 32 gigabytes, a terabyte storage, and a 4070. Hold up, wait. I think I'm looking at the wrong one. Gigabyte G6 series. Hold up. Oh great. This one here, yeah. 165 hertz, 13th gen, and a 4060 with 2 terabytes. Yeah, like this is the reason why like I wanted this one because 2 terabytes. It kind of depend on storage on prices though. So I also was looking at this one and the A15, I think it was, because Amazon laptop Intel didn't have a GPU because I had a Core. Really? Hold up. Oh no, never mind. I'm just. What was this one? Yeah, this one had a Core Ultra. Yeah, and I was also like I was planning to get one of them or the A16 if I could put a better drive in it. It kind of depends on like what's on sale when I buy it though, because I'm not gonna buy it for like half a year. It's kind of just looking at free NordVPN. Nah, I'll just go to Tor browser, pull out Tails OS or Kodachi Linux. I don't need a VPN. I don't know. Yeah, so I buy one of these. So this one, it's cheaper. 144 hertz. I'm fine with like 120 hertz, even 60. I'd be fine with for not gaming. 4060. This one has a AMD's CPU. This one has an Intel. I think AMD is more power efficient though. Yeah, like 4060, 16 gigabytes. This one has 32. It's kind of just better value as this one's raw ROG and this one's Asus stuff. So the reason why I'd have so many drives is so I could like quadruple boot Linux. One of the distros that I would use is called Zorin OS because it's customizable and it just looks really cool. Like if I go to the appearance, I could get like boom for like for GNOME, make it look more like this, which I really like. Yeah, this is the first one. I'll go restart the VM and do some other ones I try. So I wouldn't exactly like dual boot this one as it's a live distro, but I really like Tails OS as I think I mentioned it earlier about like private, like it was like a privacy thing in browser. This actually uses Tor browser. Uh, uh, I don't care. I clicked learn more. Yeah, it's like I can even like hide my network that I'm connecting to, which I find kind of funny. I don't care. And yeah, it's just kind of cool. Like I'd probably put this on a USB drive somewhere. Yeah. I would also try something like BlackArch or Kali Linux. Both of these are meant for hacking, but I could go like do. Oh, hold up. Give me fine. I'm doing my cool trick. Boom. Please, please. Oh, this is PowerShell. That's why. Boom. Hacking trick. Boom. I would also try and run like Arch Linux, which I have right here. I currently have Plasma installed on this, but Arch Linux is fun to mess around with because like, it's one of the most lightweight and customizable operating systems. So dual booting or like quadruple booting or whatever, this would be cool. Oh, I like this. More fun than on Windows. I don't know why. Yeah, I think that'd be it, probably. Maybe I'd try Hackintosh. I'd probably try and boot Hackintosh as well. So just for like a little bit extra stuff, for this, I would actually like probably if I could, I would put Linux on it just so I don't have to deal with Windows. It depends on if the software I'm using will work on Linux, but I don't really play it to game on the laptop. Also the thing about what was it? This top part right here, that was just because it was in a virtual machine and it's not like the virtual machine isn't private and this isn't to be like a completely private OS. So I'm going to show you my current backgrounds are. So we have the Garuda Linux Dragonized background. I think it's called Malafor, but I have it cycling through 3, and then we also have fine. We have and then two Kali Linux backgrounds because they look cool. And then we also have my old ones, which were NVIDIA themed. Oh, great. So we have this one, which is actually really cool. This one, this one, which is like actually look clean, and this one. These are just stuck in a. Why are they not 7-zip? Hold up, I'm gonna do that later.